The Al-Zarrar, Urdu, is a second-generation main battle tank (MBT), currently in the services of the Pakistan Army since 2004. The tank is named after Muslim warrior ضرار bin al-Azwar. Al-Zarrar. Type main battle tank, place of origin Pakistan, Chennai historian service 2004, presented by Pakistan Army War in Northwest Pakistan-production history, designer heavy industries, Texla designed 1990s, manufacturer heavy industries, Texla produced the 6th of May 2003. No. Built 504 variants, known as specifications, mass 44t, 97,000 pounds, length 31.17 feet, 9.50 meters, width 10.83 feet, 3.30 meters. Height 8.20 feet, 2.50 meters, crew 4 shell 125 mm, smoothbore caliber 125 mm, armor modular composite armor. Explosive reactive armor. Main armament, 125 mm smoothbore ammunition. Secondary armament, 12.7 mm external anti-aircraft machine gun, 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun, 8x smoke grade discharger engine, 1x KMDB 12 cylinder liquid cooled diesel, 730 horsepower, 2 power, weight 18.3 horsepower, ton 2, suspension high hardness steel torsion bar. Operational range 450 kilometers, 280 miles. Speed 65 kilometers, 40 miles, h. It is an upgrade of Pakistan's aging Chinese Type 59 tanks, a design that in turn was based on the Soviet T-54A from the mid-1950s, developed with Ukrainian Aussie Stance 1, and manufactured by the heavy industries Texla, HIT, featuring a 125 mm smoothbore gun as primary weapon. The Al-Zarrar can achieve a maximum speed of 65 kilometers, 40 miles per hour, weighs around 44 tons and has a 4-man crew, commander, gunner, loader and driver. Although the upgrade program started in 1990, the Al-Zarrar did not enter military service with the Pakistan Army Armored Corps until 2004, gradually replacing the Type 59s. Attempts were made to export the Al-Zarrar to Bangladeshi Army in 2008 to replace its fleet of Type 59G through the technology transfer. However, no progress was made through this deal, and as of 2017, Pakistan Army remained its sole operator. 6.